Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can actually create and contact in Xero. Xero is very nice accounting software that you can use on everyday basis if you're a small business owner, even if you own a medium business or you're a freelancer. You can use it as an enterprise as well, but I believe there are I don't want to say better options, but options more suitable for you if you're an enterprise. I believe Xero can get your bag even if you're an enterprise, but it's mainly made for small, medium, and for freelancers. So that being said, we want to go to the top right corner and click this plus button. The pop-up window will show us couple of options, and we want to click on contact. Contact name. Let's go with some kind of car company. First name Alex, last name car. Okay, I don't really know that. You. Additional people. So if in the company of car company, there's more people, you can add them in case you get lost touch with Alex car. Phone number, area or number. I don't believe those are mandatory since the mandatory is only email. Country +41 will be Slovakia 985, and then you go with number, for example. Website, business registration number, account number, and Xero network key if they are part of the Xero, and you simply want to create some kind of sub integration. Account number is also nice. It will save you a lot of time if you are sending some kind of currencies, or if you pay for something or receiving money from them. It's always nice because then Xero can pair it up and save the work for your accountant. And then we hit save and close, and Matt created it, and we have a car company option with Alex car number and also email. Those are the things that are the most like sought after, and also I believe you can find it like even in search button like Alex. Okay, there is, okay, this works as in mysterious ways. So thanks guys for watching, and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.